Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Asus Wi-Fi not working in Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, IP space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Second method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click network and sharing center, click connected network, click properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click properties. Type 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. First method is open any browser. Type Asus driver download in browser search bar. Click Download Center. Type model name. Click Driver and Utility. Select your OS. Click Download Wireless Driver. Extract downloaded file. Install Asus Setup. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.